Now we are discussing about the a part of antetriangle of neck, that is this carotid triangle. The carotid triangle is located on either side of each half of the neck, and it is a part of antetriangle of neck. It is triangular in nature, and it is bounded above and in front by posterior digastric and stylohyoid, in front and below by superior value of omohyoid, behind by anterior border of sternocleidomastoid, roofed by skin, superficial fascia with platysma, and investing layer of the deep cervical fascia, above by posterior in front and above by posterior digastric and stylohyoid, in front and below by the superior value of omohyoid, behind by the anterior border of sternocleidomastoid, roofed by skin, superficial fascia with platysma, investing layer of the deep cervical fascia, and the floor is formed by this is middle constrictor. You can see the hyoglossus come down here. It is not seen, but hyoglossus. This is inferior constrictor and sternothyroid. The muscles which are forming are thyrohyoid, inferior constrictor, middle constrictor, and hyoglossus. See, those are all the muscles which are forming the floor of the carotid triangle. And the contents within the carotid triangle are common carotid artery, external carotid artery, internal carotid artery, internal jugular vein. Between these two and behind is the vagus nerve, loop of ansa cervicalis, hypoglossal nerve, upper part of the sympathetic chain, vagus nerve, and deep cervical lymph nodes, that is jugulo-digastric and jugulo-omohyoid. So these are all the contents of the carotid triangle. When you see diagram of a carotid triangle, this is the sternocleidomastoid, this is the posterior belly of digastric, this is stylohyoid, this is superior belly of omohyoid, hyoglossus, middle constrictor, thyrohyoid, inferior constrictor. Posterior belly of digastric, stylohyoid, sternocleidomastoid, superior belly of omohyoid, common carotid artery, external and internal carotid arteries, internal jugular vein, in between these two and behind is the vagus nerve, hypoglossal nerve,